about Clearing Corporation of India Limited (CCIL). It was set up in April 2001 to provide guaranteed clearing and settlement functions for transactions in money, G-SEC, foreign exchange and derivative markets. CCIL also provides non-guaranteed settlement for rupee interest rate derivatives and cross-currency transactions through the CLS Bank promoters, State Bank of India, IDBI Bank Limited, ICICI Bank Limited, Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC), Bank of Baroda and HDFC Bank Limited. The company was incorporated with an authorized equity share capital of ₹50 crores. CCIL's adherence to the stringent principles governing its operations as a financial market infrastructure (FMI) has resulted in its recognition as a qualified central counterparty by the Reserve Bank of India in 2014. It has also set up a trade repository to enable financial institutions to report their transactions in over-the-counter derivatives. Through its fully owned subsidiary Clear Corp Dealing Systems Limited (CDSL), CCIL has introduced various platforms for electronic execution of deal in various market segments. Further, CDSL has developed, implemented and manages the NDS OM, the RBI-owned anonymous electronic trading system for dealing in G-SEC and also for reporting OTC deals, as well as the NDS call platform, which facilitate electronic dealing in the call, notice and term money market. CCIL is also the trade repository for all OTC transactions in the forex, interest rate and credit derivative transactions. What is CLS? Continuous Linked Settlement. CLS is an initiative by a consortium of the world's largest foreign exchange clearing banks to eliminate the settlement risk in foreign exchange transactions. The CLS system is run by CLS Bank International, which is solely dedicated to setting foreign exchange trades. The CLS Bank was established in 2002 and is owned by the world's largest bank. It is based in New York with its main operation in London. Working. Standard foreign exchange transactions involve a settlement risk as the exchange of the two currencies involved is not simultaneous. The party that sells a currency before receiving the currency purchased from the counterparty is exposed to a certain risk. CLS removes settlement risk by using a payment versus payment mechanism. This means that you get paid only if you pay. On settlement day, each counterparty to the trade pays to CLS the currency it is selling. CLS pays out the bought currency only if the sold currency is received. In effect, CLS acts as a trusted third party in the settlement process. It's important to note that CLS is not a central counterparty. The trade remains between the two counterparties. What is an over-the-counter OTC derivative? A derivative is a security with a price that is dependent on or derived from one or more underlying assets. Its value is determined by fluctuation in the underlying asset. The most common underlying assets include stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, interest rates, and market indexes. Depending on where derivatives trade, they can be classified as over-the-counter or exchange-traded. An OTC derivative is a financial contract that is arranged between two counterparties but with minimal intermediation or regulation. OTC derivatives do not have standardized terms and they are not listed on an asset exchange. What are government securities? G-SEC. Government securities, popularly known as G-SEC bonds, are debt instruments issued by the central government to meet its fiscal needs. Such securities are short-term, usually called treasury bills, with original maturities of less than 1 year, or long-term, usually called government bonds, or dated securities with original maturity of 1 year or more. In India, the central government issues both treasury bills and bonds or dated securities, while the state governments issue only bonds or dated securities, which are called the State Development Loans (SDLs). G-SECs carry practically no risk of default and hence are called risk-free gilt-edged instruments.